What's going on, guys? Scotty with Miller Marine. Got this Dolphin in. Starting to put stereo system in. Doing some kickers. Easy, simple. Those guys. We're going to integrate the stereo into the GPS. We're going to pull the fuel gauge out because he doesn't like the way it works. He's just going to use a stick, and we're going to put a little remote that it comes with there, and then that way he'll be able to see all this stuff through his GPS. It'll be networked in with the NEMA 2000 that we got here. So that's what's going on this one so far. And then we're also going to be hanging a power pole off here. We're going to pull the motor and put a bracket that comes off here that we did on this actioncraft. I'll show you real quick so you guys kind of get an idea of what it is. Obviously it's going on the opposite side of this one, but just like that. Pull the motor, goes between the motor. Other side has a spacer, just like that. Pretty nice and simple. This one's getting one as well. This one got a tune-up, oil change, water pump kit. That's about it. Just a couple little things, just making sure everything was working on it for him. So.